Welcome everyone! In today's Wix tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to add a sidebar or site menu to your Wix website. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you're in the Wix editor, not the Wix ADI editor. If you're in the ADI editor, switch to the standard editor to follow along seamlessly. Navigate to the Add button on the left side of the screen. Then, select Lightboxes under the Interactive category. Choose a lightbox with a side menu layout that suits your preferences. Drag and drop the selected lightbox onto your website canvas. This forms the basis of your site menu. You can customize it further by removing unwanted elements, such as subscribe forms, and adjusting text placement and styling. To add the menu itself, click on Add again, then select Menu and Anchor. Choose a vertical menu design and place it within your side menu layout. Adjust the size and position as needed. Next, customize the design of your menu by accessing the design settings. You can modify colors, fonts, and other visual aspects to match your website's theme. Consider adjusting the background overlay for the side menu to ensure visibility and aesthetic coherence. Choose a background color and adjust opacity settings accordingly. Now, add a button to your main page that will trigger the side menu to open. Navigate to Add, select Decorative, then Shapes. Choose an icon or shape that signifies a menu, such as lines, and place it strategically on your page. Link the button to the side menu lightbox by accessing its settings and selecting the appropriate lightbox option. Preview your website to see the sidebar in action. Clicking the button should reveal the side menu with your customized navigation options. If you'd like to explore further enhancements for your website, such as adding related products to increase sales, check out our related tutorials.